Hello, it's Monday, and it is the last week of schoolwork that we have this school year. It's gone by really fast, and the last 2 months have not been so much fun for us, but we made it. Today is Monday. We have 4 days of schoolwork left. The last week of school, we're going to do some different things, some fun activities at home. It is Monday. Excuse me. May the 20th, May the 11th, 2020. The year. The vowels are A says a, E says I says O says and U says Let's do our sight words. I'm going to go down. By, to, am, for, was, and, he, were, are, is, what, be, it, who, big, of, but, the. All right, get your readers out. This week we're gonna have a story about I really can't tell if that looks like a mole and a lizard, I think. And their names are Ed and Ted. There's the title of our book is Ed and Ted. The first sentence says Ed is it. So they're playing a game of tag. The next page, on page 3, it says Ed, Ted, ran. Ted ran. On page 4, it says Ed is it. Ed ran. So you're going to practice that. I'm going to ask somebody to read it on Tuesday, a couple students. We are on the letter Z. We've completed the whole entire alphabet. Z has a sound and it says Z, and our words are zag, zebra, zip, and zoo. All right, we're going to write some capital Z's. I'm going to show you how. We're going to start at the top line. We're going to go the red line and go across. We go straight across. All right, and for lowercase, we start on the dotted line and go to the red, dotted, then the bottom, dotted, and the bottom. Then we're going to write them together, capital and lowercase, capital and lowercase, capital and lowercase. And that's how we write the Z. The capital and the lowercase Z's are just alike. They're just one is smaller than the other. All right, you're going to get your pencil and you're going to trace the Z's just like I showed you on the manuscript paper. Just like that. It's kind of hard for me. Try to stay on your lines. Just follow the dots. Lowercase. Okay. And the next is we are going to look at the pictures and we're going to look at the ones that start with a Z. Zipper, circle it. Zebra, oops. Kite does not. Zoo does. Umbrella does not, but zero does. Then you're going to come over to the other box and you're going to circle all the Z's. All right. We are on the number 20 this week. And to write 20, you have a 2. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. And a 0. 2 and a 0 make 20. It says color the 20 orange. I don't have orange. I have to color red. You need to get your pencil and trace the 20s. And we write 20 with a 2 and a 0. 2 and a 0. We're going to go over here to this box and we are going to find all the 20s and we're going to circle them. All right. It says connect the numbers. We're just going to draw a straight line across here to that 20. And then this one kind of looks like a little wave. There we go. All right. Now we want to color 20 clothespins. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, we're going to color in the circles that have a 20 on them. Fill those in. And then let's count to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There you go. All right, now we're going to count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we're going to review the subtraction. This is the number line over here, and you can use this number line to subtract. And I'm going to show you how. So it says 10 minus 8. So you go to the 10, and then you count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 minus 8 is, what number were we on? We're on 2. It's 2. So we go to 4 for the next one, 4, and we're going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. If I have 2 apples and I give them all away, how many apples do I have left? I have none. Okay, so we have 8 minus 1. I have 8. We're going to count up 1. We're going to go back, take away 1, and we have 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 1, we go to 3. Then we take 1 away, and we are on the number, that's right, 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. We have 7. 7 minus 3, let's go 1, 2, 3. And we're on the number 4. So 7 minus 3 is 4. If I have 5 apples and I don't give any away, how many do I have? I still have 5. All right. I have 10, and I'm going to take 6 away. So we're on 10. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? 4. You can also use your fingers. All right. We have 6, take away 4. 6 minus 4, we go to 6. And we count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay? We have 9 minus 1. 9, and then minus 1 is, what number are we on? 8. 6 minus 2. Show you on your hands. We have 6. Right here, 6. 5, 6. We're going to take 2 away. 1, 2. How many do I have left? I have 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. And then the last one, 1. Take away none. I still have 1. Very good. Okay, so this week we're going to read a story about Jesus and the fisherman and how he walked on water. It says, Jesus said, "Take courage, do not be afraid." And I mean, I think that I would be afraid too, wouldn't you, if you saw somebody walking on water? So let's read the story. Jesus told his disciples that they were going to go fishing. He said, "You go ahead and you can go ahead of me." Then Jesus walked up the mountainside and he prayed. Then a storm cloud filled the sky. Now, if you've ever been out in a boat, or even if you've even been outside, when it starts to storm or the sky gets dark and you hear lightning and thunder, what do? You go inside. Well, they're out on the boat. Remember, Jesus told the disciples to go without him. But Jesus is out on the mountainside and he's praying. And the storm clouds filled the sky. And Jesus could see that his disciples were out in the boat and they were having some trouble. The wind was swooshing back and forth and the waves sloshed and the boat was tossed about. The boat was just going crazy. The water was coming in. They were probably scared. And you have to think, these boats aren't made like they are now. Suddenly the disciples saw someone walking on water towards them, and they thought it was a ghost. Jesus called out to them. He said, "It is I. Do not be afraid." The disciples still weren't sure. Peter said, "If you really are Jesus, let me walk out to you." Jesus replied, "Come." Peter stepped out on the boat and he began to walk on water. Then Peter looked at the wind, he looked away and the waves, and he became scared again. And suddenly he started to sink. He said, "Lord, save me," Peter cried out. Jesus reached out his hand and he pulled Peter up. Jesus said, "Peter, why didn't you trust me?" They climbed back into the boat, and then the storm stopped. The disciples worshiped Jesus, and they said, "Truly, you are the Son of God." And I will see you tomorrow.